downer. Keep it up and quick. Looks like a buzz bait. Yeah, that's Jose. Oh, there we go. Smallie. There's rocks right here. I figured. Heck yeah! Beetle spoon! Alright, welcome to the Wisconsin River. I'm in Portage. You can even see the Portage power plant right here. I am here for one reason. This is the closest spot for me to get to from my house, because I live out east. I live east of the Wisconsin River, and this is the southeasternmost point of the old Wisconsin River. I got my kayak, it's right there. I just figured I should take some casts, and I'm glad I did. Yes. See that? Let's see if I can cast at it. Right in your spot, Holmes. There we go. I'm right in your spot, Holmes. Another smallie. Alrighty. Let's go. Ugh. Oh, I can grab it by the lip. You're in the top. Okay, got you. Nice. Welcome to my island. We shall call this the Isle of Dave. This is on the Wisconsin River in Portage, and I'm gonna put my stuff right there because the Wisconsin River splits up in Portage a lot, and this is an island point where it comes together. You can see a current and a current, and they're running together right here. I don't know if that's gonna equal fish. I have no idea, but it's worth a try, right? Let's get it. Black in the dark is actually a good color. Did you know that? This black beetle spin got me a few, though it's not so bright out. As cool as this location looks, I'm just not feeling the fishiness. River is super wide here, but I think super shallow. This whole side right here is just shallow as can be. I was casting around and my beetle spin's just bumping on sand the whole time. This is kind of an eddy right here, but it's not very deep, and you know, once again, there's not a lot of fish action going on. There's some tiny minnows kind of dinking around over there, but that's about it. Plus I didn't get any bites in the half hour that I've been here. All right, ready to paddle. This current is strong. Oh, I can do it. Oh, jeez. Not tight. Oh, yeah. That's a fish. That's good. Oh, shoot. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Nice. All right. Heck yeah. Let's go. Nice. I don't know how much of that fight you saw. There's water in the lens, but there it is. Heck yeah. I knew moving spots was good. It's just deeper in this channel right here. Heck yeah. That's what you're doing. You're free? That's awesome. Worm on the bottom, that's how I got him. I knew moving would be a better idea. It just didn't feel deep enough over there. Too fast a current. You can see here, current is fast here. Kind of slows down in the middle and then real slow over there, just so you got a variety of stuff going on. Heck yeah. All right, here's my strat today with the wormy squirmies. I'm gonna break this one in half. Size 2 Aberdeen hook. This is bigger, a little bigger of a hook, bigger worm. Go through the ripped end right here, ripped end of the worm first, and poke out. Then I go up a little bit, through it again, up a little bit, did it again. Then I push that butt end through the eye, and I feel like in the current, this dangles more and looks juicy and appetizing. This is a 1 ounce no roll sinker. And then I've got my, I don't know why I have another split shot, but I do. But there you go. That's the setup. Let's cast her out there. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Just about to do something. And I was on. All right. Wait. White bass, heck yeah, nice, heck yeah, white bass, nice. All right, I got you. Dude, that's cool. Look at that guy, heck yeah. It's just about to start casting around a little bit. Nice white bass, worm on the bottom, that's how I got him. It's awesome. That's what we're doing today, baby. All right, let's put you in. There he goes. Oh, shoot. That was a good bite. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Come on. That's another decent fish. What's going over there? Gosh, that's a good small. Oh, you got wrapped. Oh, there you go. Heck yeah. Wow, that's a good one. Get that hook out. See it? He didn't swallow it. Yeah, let's go. Look at that smallie. Nice. Probably like 14 inches. You gotta love it. God, they fight hard. There we go. Smallmouth. Worm on the bottom. You know it. Let's let them go. Let go. This battery died. This isn't big though. Oh, walleye! Heck yeah! Whoa! Heck yeah, walleye! There's my guy. Heck yeah! Nice. There's a walleye for you, buddies. My chesty just died. How long are you, walleye? You are, about 13. Okay, you're free. Well, I caught my walleye. I got 2 split shot, number 2 Aberdeen hook. Cast over there into the slower water. And was dragging this. Got a walleye now. What are you at? 3 species now? Heck yeah. I'm on the bottom. That's how I got him. Yeah, just cast it over there. Let it get down. There we go. Staying down. Got another walleye. Heck yeah, man. Nice. Long and lean walleye, my guy. Ugh. I think it's got to be 15 to keep on this riv. And you are not. So, well, let's see. Walleye. Okay. He's about 13. 13, just like the other one. Okay, get out of here, buddy. Nice. I don't know if you can see it, but we've got shallow area right there, right? And so there's like breakup and there's an eddy. So that's a seam right there. Oh geez, look, there's some going after stuff over there right now. That's so cool. Anyways, then the water comes out of this eddy and then there's a secondary seam right here where everything starts going down river, and that's where I caught walleye, both of them on the secondary seam. They're both in there. Oh, here we go. Something hit me, minnow. That was reeling in. Get out of there. is. Is it a pike? Oh no, big smallie. No, that's what I'm afraid of. Get out of there. Get out of there. I guess I could net him. I got a net for a reason, right? Yeah! That was the minnow. Heck yeah! Nice. The minnow. That was a dead minnow. I was just reeling back. I was actually reeling it. I almost given up on the cast. Oh, you're a chunk. Dude, that's awesome. You're a chunky boy. Nice. Let's see how long you are. Bump board, close his mouth. 15.5. See? Mouth closed. 15.5. Nice smallmouth. Heck yeah, man. He's a chunk too. Nice. Love it. On a minnow. Nice. Dead minnow. I thought I wasn't going to have use for these dead minnows, but now I'll keep using them. This guy right here is a dead minnow. He's not there. Oh, he's there. Heck yeah. He's there. Oh, I got to tighten you up. Heck yeah. Smallmouth. Come on, this side. I know, I'm sorry. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Nice. I love it. Do you want to eat the minnows that are down here? Do you? Do you see my baby minnow friends? Dude, look at all these guys. Just chilling. Just the nib-nib. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. Slow down. And then I tighten you up. Oh, I better. There we go. Minnow caught something. Oh, get out of there. Don't go in there. Tighten up, drag it just a little. The minnow worked. No, get away from that too. Shoot. Something different. I think it's a catfish. Oh, he's gonna get in that line. Get out of that line. My trusty died. I put these on the ground. Oh, big catfish. Heck yeah. Channel cat. Heck yeah! Yeah! Heck yeah! Heck yeah! Look at that! Dude, you're a tank of a channel cat. Circle hook right in the side. You gotta love it! That's a circle hook for you. So cool. 2-aught circle hook. Minnow. Let's go! Heck yeah, look at that channel cat. Nice. Dude, you're big. There you go. 28. Yes. 28-inch circle. Let's go! Alright. You ready? Ready? Oh my goodness. What a chunk. There you go. Look at that guy. Heck yeah. Yes. Here's the setup, people. I've got a 2-aught circle hook. I had the minnow nose hooked. I've got a 20-pound fluorocarbon leading up to a 1/2-ounce sinker. And I've got about 3 feet of leader to my 20-pound braid. It's Runkle Titan 2 4000, and this is my cherrywood red rod. It's a 7-footer, 7-foot medium action rod. Oh, that's my best channel cat ever. 28-incher. I don't know how much it weighed, but that was awesome. Just cast it right here. There's 2 different current seams meeting, and it was right here. I had the drag real loose so it could take it, and then when it was time, I tightened down on the drag and reeled it in. What a fish! That was awesome! These were the minnows that caught that pike too. Heck yeah!
Oh, geez, that looks fat.
There's Nick's pike. 30
and a half.
30 and a half, chunky boy. But now they're dead. I kept them, and now it's the next day and I'm catching some fish. Let's go. Oh, jeez. Something's getting it right now. Take it. Make sure the drag is real loose. Take it, buddy. Hope it's not a turtle or something stupid. Uh-oh. Dude, there's lots of stuff going on. Oh, oh, oh. Are you okay? You, I got a reel, because you're on. That's good. What are you? Oh, you a buffalo? Or a drum? You're a drum. Heck yeah. I got a drum. Drummy drum. Dude, 5 species stay. Oh no, now that one's going. Dude, that's awesome. I got a drum. I got a drum. But I got another fish on. There you go. Let's go. Alright, this one. Okay, he's on. Now. Okay, see, now you just tighten down. There you go. Now you got a fish. You can tighten a little bit. I hope this is a fish and not a turtle. Sure acted like a turtle. Oh yeah, that's a turtle, alright. Shoot. Yeah. Snapper? I don't know what kind. I didn't think you'd be in that fast a current, buddy. Okay, come here. I'll get the hook out. Are you even hooked? A big soft shell. Yeah, you're hooked in the mouth. Okay. Yeah, okay, I got you. There, you're free. There you go, you're free. I should have known that was a turtle from the way he was biting it. That's why you leave the lines always in. I was about to leave. I ended up catching a freshwater drum and a soft-shelled turtle. Oh man, that was a big turtle. All right, I'm packing up the gear, man. Kayak is packed up. And I gotta tell you, it was an awesome day. 5 different species of fish. Goodbye, Wisconsin River. Today is a very bittersweet day for me too, because this is the end of my fishing career for the summer of 2022. I gotta go back and do my real job now. I'm a teacher. School year's starting. Either way, thanks for watching, thanks for following, thanks for clicking all those good buttons. Dude, PB catfish today. That was awesome. All right, see you.